Welcome to my channel. Remember when VR headsets were all about fun games? Those days are over. In 2026, the virtual worlds you enter won't be pre-built stages. They'll be living, breathing environments shaped by AI in real time. Picture putting on a headset and stepping into a fantasy forest. The trees and paths literally grow and change based on where you look and what you want to explore. You won't be alone either. Thanks to advancements in AI, you can interact with characters that can hold full conversations. They don't just respond to your actions. They adapt and react in unpredictable ways that make each playthrough unique. NVIDIA's tech is already showing us characters that can hold full conversations. And Meta is spending billions to create avatars that don't just look realistic, but can react, adapt, and improvise on the fly. This isn't just entertainment. It's a future where your digital world feels as alive and unpredictable as the real one. Here's the intriguing part. This transformation isn't just happening in virtual worlds. It's also influencing how we design physical spaces. As AI becomes better at understanding and responding to human behavior, it's changing the very nature of where we live and work. Imagine a house that adapts to your mood, optimizing lighting and temperature automatically. Or cities that use AI to tailor public spaces to the needs of their residents. The K is no longer just lines of code. It's becoming a collaborator, a partner in shaping the environments we inhabit. Let's talk about something we all fear. Have you ever worried that your private conversations were being listened to? Well, with AI becoming more integrated into our lives, concerns about privacy and security are growing. But here's the good news. Tech giants like Apple and Intel are building something special called NPUs, which are basically AI chips that keep your secrets safe. Instead of relying on cloud servers, NPUs allow complex AI tasks like language translation and even voice commands to happen instantly on your phone or laptop, so your personal data stays private and secure exactly where it should be. With rules around data privacy getting stricter, the industry is pushing hard towards on-device intelligence. Your personal information stays in your hands. And let's not forget about the impact on work. Robots aren't just found in sci-fi movies anymore. They're already working in retail and logistics. Companies are adopting a new kind of workforce powered by AI. These smart machines handle the heavy lifting and repetitive tasks that used to be done by humans, allowing people to focus on more important things. Agility Robotics Digit is joining the Amazon warehouse team, and Walmart uses autonomous shelf scanners in more than 1,000 stores to keep things organized. And the coolest part? They're not controlled remotely. These robots use advanced AI to learn and get better at their jobs every day. As finding workers becomes a bigger problem, these AI-powered robots are stepping in to fill the gap, making our world run smoothly and efficiently. Speaking of taking over the world, let's talk about wearable tech. Your smartwatch is about to become your body's best friend. Today's modern wearables have gone far beyond counting your steps. They're now your health buddy, tracking everything from stress levels and blood oxygen to tiny changes in your body temperature that could hint at an illness before you even feel a symptom. Devices like the Oura Ring and the Whoop Band already give athletes and everyday users insights into their recovery and sleep patterns. And by 2026, we'll see even more incredible tech, like smart rings that can monitor your blood sugar without a finger prick, or check your blood pressure continuously. But the magic happens when AI turns all this raw data into personalized advice and recommendations. Soon your wearable won't just track your health, it will guide you towards a better, healthier you. Alright, let's talk about something really exciting. Your next phone, laptop, tablet, every device you own is about to get supercharged with its own dedicated AI brain. This is a huge leap forward. By 2026, these specialized edge AI chips will allow your devices to do amazing things in real time without needing to connect to the cloud constantly. Apple's A17 Pro and M4 chips already do things like language translation and voice recognition instantly. And Qualcomm and Intel are bringing similar smarts to Windows PCs. What does this mean for you? Less lag, more privacy, and a future where every device you own becomes its own intelligent hub. It's raw computing power right in your hands. Now let's talk about delegation. Moving away from the days of simple chatbots. The next level of AI is the autonomous agent. Think of it like a dedicated virtual assistant that can handle entire tasks from start to finish without you needing to micromanage. For example, Cognition Labs has created Devin, an AI software engineer that can build websites and debug code all on its own. Other tools can plan entire itineraries, book reservations, and provide detailed reports on just about anything. These aren't just handy tools, They're like virtual team members working tirelessly to make your life easier. Soon, instead of just interacting with AI, we'll be delegating real work to it, freeing up our time for more creative pursuits. Want to know a secret? Quantum computing went from a theoretical concept to a practical reality. Yeah, it's happening. And in 2026, we might witness its first wide use in real-world scenarios. IBM is developing chips with thousands of qubits, and has promised to deliver them to clients in 2024. These chips can solve extremely complex problems like discovering new drugs and optimizing supply chains at speeds that traditional computers can only dream of. While still in the early stages, the demonstrations are becoming more impressive by the day, suggesting that quantum technology is almost ready to take over. It's a new era of computing that holds the promise of tackling some of humanity's toughest challenges. Okay, let's talk about the metaverse. Remember when everyone was talking about it? Some said it's the next big thing. Others thought it was a fad. Well, here's the truth. The metaverse is evolving, and it's going beyond what people imagined. This is the stuff of science fiction, but it's becoming real. Brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, are leaving the lab and entering the world. In 2024, Neuralink successfully implanted its first chip in a human, allowing them to control a computer cursor with just their thoughts. At the same time, other companies are developing less invasive devices to help people with paralysis regain mobility and communication. Imagine a future where thought-driven computing isn't just a fantasy, but a medical reality. It's a complete revolution in how we interact with technology and how we can restore human function. So remember those AR glasses you've seen in sci-fi movies? They're not just a futuristic fantasy. They're becoming a practical reality. Apple's Vision Pro kicked off this trend, and now Meta, X-Real, and Samsung are all developing sleek, lightweight smart glasses that can display things like live captions, navigation cues, and instant translations right in your field of view. By 2026, these devices could replace many smartphone functions. With AI providing context-aware assistance, these glasses will anticipate the information you need, making the constant need for screens a thing of the past. Let's talk about automation. It's gone beyond individual tasks and is now taking over entire workflows. Tools like Upath and Zapier are enabling businesses to fully automate processes from hiring to invoicing without any manual input. This isn't just about saving time, it's about dramatic gains in efficiency and speed. ServiceNow reports a 65% reduction in repetitive tasks at large enterprises, and Amazon warehouses use predictive analytics to optimize coordination between humans and robots. This is a fundamental shift in how work gets done. Entire processes run autonomously, freeing up employees to focus on what matters most. Then there's generative AI. In 2026, it won't be a novelty. It'll be the driving force behind much of the content we consume. Companies like OpenAI and Google are advancing multimodal AI models that can seamlessly process text, images, video, and audio all at once. Tools like Adobe Firefly and Runway ML are revolutionizing video editing. And services like Eleven Labs can clone a voice instantly. This isn't just a trend. It's a new creative partnership where AI becomes a core collaborator in media production. From writing articles to producing podcasts and videos, AI is stepping in as a valuable collaborator. And finally, AI is becoming embedded directly into our operating systems. Microsoft's Windows 11 Copilot allows you to summarize files and rewrite emails right from your desktop. Apple is expected to follow suit with its own native features in iOS and macOS, leveraging advanced on-device neural engines. This means AI will function as a fundamental part of your system, anticipating your needs and streamlining your tasks. Your computer won't just be a tool, it will be a smart partner working alongside you every step of the way. But remember, the pace of AI development is rapid. What seems like science fiction today could become a reality tomorrow. So stay curious, keep learning, and most importantly, be open to the incredible possibilities that AI is creating for our world. Thanks for watching.